Hello my kids, welcome back to your art class. So in today's class, we are going to make a new thing that is related to Madhubani art. As you all know, in our previous video, we have learned about the Madhubani borders. So that is the most important part, as I had told you in the previous video. So today we are going to make Madhubani birds. Okay, so we will go with very easy steps. You have to focus on the steps and then you can make your own beautiful birds and you can make your own Madhubani painting. Okay, so let's start it. So the first step is, topic is Madhubani birds. Okay, now we will just draw. Now focus on the shape please. First, draw a curve like that. Okay, this is step 1. You will draw this curve. After that, just draw here near this shape, draw a small one. Alright, after that, what you will do, again draw a C like that, but that will be bigger than this. That will be small and that will be bigger. After that, you will draw a slanting line. A slanting line will be there, and after that, you will join it like that. Okay. Now, what to do? Let's make the tail. So we will go with the same line. Okay. Then keep your pencil here, go little wide and join it with the help of this curve, U shape. Okay, you can see the shape here. Now we will draw eye. And then make a small circle here, fill the full eye with black pencil or black sketch pen. Alright, now let's make the peak. The peak will be look like a leaf. Make the line in double and again that will be in the center here. Okay, that line will be in the center. Now what to do? One second. This line. Okay, so we will draw the line in double. As I told you in the previous video, वो जो मधुबनी पेंटिंग करते थे उसमें वो डबलिंग में काम करते थे, लाइक डबल लाइंस. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट वी विल ड्रॉ द डबल लाइन हियर, नॉट सो थिक नॉट सो थिन, मीडियम, this one. Okay, so I would suggest you to draw it with pencil first. Even I am making with the pencil today. अगर कोई भी मिस्टेक होती है तो you can correct it. And then again this line, then the standing line. Be very careful here. See, if you are feeling trouble like that, na, just keep your drawing book like that. That will be easy to you. Here, go like that. Now double here and on the other side, doubling. Now again you can rotate your drawing book like that, and again here you can double the line easily. Go with small strokes. Okay, छोटे छोटे लाइंस लगा के आपने इसको डबल में कन्वर्ट करना है. ठीक है, बट जो ये गैप है ये हर जगह इक्वल होना चाहिए. ये नहीं कहीं पे ज़्यादा कर दिया कहीं पे कम छोड़ दिया, ऐसे नहीं. So we will finish it here. Okay, lines, double lines are here. Now the next step, then this one and this. Now it's time to decorate it. Okay, so first we will do the outline with the black marker. So do the outline first with the thin bold permanent marker, sorry, with the thin marker, okay, not with the bold one. Do it with the thin one. Let's do it now. Okay, now we have done with the outlines. Let's erase the pencil first. Now start doing the simple designing in that. So we'll go with the simple steps. Here we will make the slipping lines, small slipping lines. Equal gap. And in the tail we will make one line in the center, again doubling, and make one gap, two lines, again 2 line gap, 2 lines, slanting lines. Same on the other hand, same on the other side. Okay, now here we will decorate it with some easy steps again. Okay, let's draw a curve line first, again double line, okay, then gap, again double line, gap, again double line. So in that sorry, we will draw some easy designs like half semicircle 2 times. See, that is a very common design. We draw it in the mehendi also, like we do henna on the hand, we do it there also. Okay, now leave this part and draw standing lines, small standing lines. Okay, here you can make small dots. See, a beautiful decorated bird, Madhubani bird. Now you can do sketches in that, or else you can do the pencil colors also and you can do the sketches too. Okay, so I'll go with the pencil colors today. In the next one I'll tell you about I will use sketch pens. So let's start it. Okay, so in the face I'm going to do yellow color here. So whenever you are doing color, मेक श्योर कि एक तो आपका कलर आपकी ड्राइंग से बाहर ना जाए. सेकेंड थिंग कि जब आप कलरिंग करो तो वो जो आपकी वाइट शीट है वो ना दिखे. फिर जैसे ये देखो मैंने थोड़ा सा छोड़ा, इट विल लुक बैड. सी, ये नहीं छोड़ना, ठीक है. अच्छे से कलर को प्रेस करके करना है. that color is bit light, तो आपको easily इसमें दिख नहीं रहा, तो I will use the red color here in the peak. That will be properly visible. See. Leave that double line. See. Do the color properly. Now here I will use light green in the design only, not in the lines. Now I will use red again here. आप आवाज़ सुन सकते हो कि मैं कितनी ज़ोर से प्रेस करके कलर को यूज़ कर रही हूँ, ठीक है। तो आपने अच्छे से कलर को प्रेस करके यूज़ करना है। नाउ लाइट ब्लू, दिस वन हियर। Okay, in this one I'll do orange color. First do the outline. Don't go out of the line. Do very neat color in one direction. One direction means if you are working in slipping like that, go in slipping. If you are working in standing, then go in standing. And here again I'm going to use yellow shade. Yellow here. And brown will be here. Okay, so see your beautiful Madhubani bird. So here, what to do here? Let me tell you. Again, take your thin marker. Let me zoom the video, please. Wait. Okay, now what to do here? Just make small slipping lines here and leave less gap. पूरी डबल लाइंस में आपने स्लिपिंग लाइंस लगानी है. To fill it with black sketch pen, with black marker. And again the same lines will be here. Here too. So this way I am making standing lines. So like that we will do the designing in the bird. So this is your bird. I hope you liked it. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, and keep doing the practice. Bye bye.